I'm Ashley, Jen's little sister and Matron of Honor. Jen has always been an incredible role model to me. She's been my boss, my confidant, my caretaker. She's both created and wiped my tears. And I've learned so much from her. She's the best big sister I could have ever asked for, so much so that she takes credit for bringing me into this world. For those of you who don't know, she prayed for me before I was born. And from then on, we've been through so much together. I feel that I started as your dress-up doll, became your biggest adversary, mostly for the TV remote and telephone. Remember AIM? Yeah, the computer. And then onto your partner in crime, racing through Glastonbury in a beat-up red Passat, bumper hanging off with duct tape. Okay, we're racing through. Then to your co-pilot, going to Colorado and back, with all the animals. And now standing here to toasting your marriage. I can't begin to tell you how blessed I am to have you in my life. Luke, you are the perfect balance for my dear sister. You are smart, you are kind, and you can steady Jennifer like none other. I think it's so apropos that the theme of this wedding is a pineapple. Not only is it a great match for this venue, but it's the traditional sign and symbol of welcome. So I am so happy to welcome you, Luke, and your family into ours. So in all seriousness, I am so happy for the both of you, and I wish the best that this world has to offer. I can't wait to see all the good that's in store for you, and I ask everyone to raise their glass and join in this toast. Jennifer and Luke, may you look back on this day and see it as just the beginning to your long and beautiful adventure together. Love and cherish each other always, have faith, laugh often, and trust in the friendship you've created with each other. Cheers.